Here is the summary of intensive research on how to lose weight in a month. Okay, in this presentation, there is an overview of intensive research into safe and effective ways to lose weight in a month. It will discuss the key findings and recommendation. So if you are looking for some tips and tricks how to lose weight in short duration, this video will help you a lot. So all you have to do to follow the step and the routines which are necessary for daily activities. So let's talk in detail about this in upcoming slides. The body's natural fat burning process. The body's natural fat burning process consists of two types of activities. The first one is calorie restriction and the second one is exercise. We need to eat fewer calories than what we expend so that our body can burn fat to fuel the deficit. Exercise helps by increasing our metabolic rate, making us burn more calories. These are some tips to help you lose weight. The first one, keep a record. Keep a record of your daily habits and activities, including what you eat, how much you exercise, and the calories you burn. Choose healthy food. Choose healthy complex carbohydrates such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. These nutritious foods offer vitamins and minerals with fewer calories. Also include exercise. Here are some foods you should avoid. Processed and fast foods are loaded with unhealthy fats, salt, and refined sugars, which can contribute to weight gain. So avoid foods like chips, burgers, fried food, and ice cream. You should also take care of your exercise. So make exercise part of your routine. Exercise is a must if you want to achieve weight loss goals. Incorporate exercises like jogging, swimming, and cycling into your daily routine. Make sure to create a schedule and follow it diligently to ensure the best results. So, here is the conclusion of our lesson. Losing weight and staying healthy is possible with the right balance of exercise and a healthy diet. Both are necessary. So, by changing your lifestyle and food habits, you can shed the extra calories in a month's time. Make sure to stay consistent in your efforts to reach your target weight. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.